Mary Kongsai, and I'm from Manchester. My aim in life is to become a lawyer. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Linda Hoytibgen. I'm in BA first semester, and my aim in life is to become a designer. Freshers are not to forget their still number. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Maria from Cologne Village, and I'm here represent from BSc first semester. And my aim is to become a lecturer. Don't forget to tell your serial number. My name is Peng Lajajo. I passed out my 10th last year from Royal Academy of Science. I'm a student of BA first semester. My hobby is playing badminton. My aim in life is to become a successful woman. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Evangeline Grishu from Chesney. I'm present here BA first semester. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Social Zero and I offered BSc. I'm so glad that I came here and meet all of you. It is so nice that I meet my senior and my friends to see all of you here. I hope we enjoy going to this. As we go on, as we move on in this college, I hope we do well. And my hobby is singing, and my ambition is to become a teacher. I like mingling with friends, chatting and cracking jokes, and I prefer frank person. So I want to be frank with everyone, my seniors and my friends. Thank you so much. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yoya Azumi. I offer BSc first semester. And my hobby is gardening, and my aim is to become a teacher. Thank you. Hello, friends. I am Tatim in Residence of Arts. My friend number is 54. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I myself will be my dad from Oakland District. Presently stay at but now I'm BA first semester. That's all. Thank you. Hi, I'm Adamai Maitri of class BA first year. I'm from Telecom Village. Now I'm studying at Modern College BA first year.
Good afternoon, everyone. I myself, Nejalo Mate, and I'm from Rampan, BA first semester. That's all.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Moini Raza. I'm Jiro Drive. I study in the first semester. And my aim in life is to become a journalism. Thank you.
BA first semester, and I'm from Bungdeju. My aim in life is to become an army officer, and my surrounding is wonderful. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Kim Wei Chung Dongam from Village Haiku. I'm 19 years of age. BSc first semester. My aim in life is to become a successful woman in life. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm student 41, and I myself is Tracy Damaina. My aim in life is to become a person. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lily, and I'm from Tabalong district. My hobby is singing, dancing, and enjoying with my friends. And my aim in life is designer. Thank you all. My name is Namwi Bongman, BA first semester, and my hobby is cooking, and my aim in life is to become a successful woman. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Bai Kim Kilong from Kangchan Chako. I'm BA first semester. My hobby is reading, comics, and my aim in life to become a journalist. Thank you.
Hi everyone, National Emotions AP. My name is Eko Kamai from Tagalong District, BA first semester. And my hobby is I want to be listening music and I want to become a modeler. That's all, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Raymond Baite. I'm from Suno. I finished my class 12 in the Bosco High School, Chimichangpo. Right now, I'm in the first semester in Arts Stream. My serial number is 24, and my hobby is singing. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bodan Sario. I'm BA first year. I'm now staying in Jimirong. My hobby is painting, and my aim in life is become civil engineering. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is B.C. Chumoki. I born and grew up in Cycle Village. We are 7 members in my family, and I'm the youngest in the family. My main life is to become a politician, and my hobby is playing football, and I'm interested in studying an animator, graphic designer. So lastly, I'm standing in front of you, all of you. Just me, thank you.
Good afternoon to you. My name is Kisam Mikasa from Jimirong, Pamakalani. And my aim in life is still painting. And my serial number is 36.
Good afternoon all. I'm so happy to stay over there right now. My name
is Goman Kimgen from Cedar Hills. And right now I'm BA first semester. My hobby is to play football, and my aim in life is to become a great politician in the future. Thank you.
Hello. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Hamgaude Pongsai from Saikang Village, Saikul Block, Kampopi district. Now I'm BA first semester. I am offering art stream. My hobby is walking, and my aim in life is to become a great farmer. Yes, sir. I'm taking.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kubung Kushung from Chadong Village. I'm studying BSc first semester and like this architecture.
Hello, good afternoon of Diversity Engineering. I'm Tamin Bashu. My name is BA first semester and my hobby is singing. Thank you.
Hello, I myself is Soming Rahim, and my hobby is sleeping. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is Timothy from Bambang Village. I'm in BSc first year, and my hobby is singing.
Hello. Yeah, to meet you all. I'm Shinbi Kushung.
I'm Tosiam Nation. My birthplace is Kusong Kling. I finished my high school life in my local, and after that, for higher education in Guangzhou, I studied Rural Academy of Science, and after that, I got this modern college. I offer chemistry, botany, zoology, and BSc, and I'm very glad that I'm in this modern college to meet you all are pretty handsome. And I'm very glad together like this, having this travel. I think this will bring unity in our life. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My serial number is 22. My name is Shimpu Ori. I'm from New Japan. I'm currently pursuing BSc first semester in Modern College. I love playing football. My ambition is to become a footballer. Thank you.
Thank you all the participants. While the judges are selecting the top 10 finalists, freshers are requested. You may go to your respective seats. Now we have a song presentation. Yes, we have a guest artist from Beckett. Once again, now we have a song presentations that is